And welcome back. If you just watched our previous tutorial, you saw us create our first course on the Adobe Connect server, which is where I am right now. We created this URL that goes to this particular course, and I enrolled myself, Matt Lee, into the course. Now, the idea here is as we create courseware on the Adobe Connect server, it will show up inside of Salesforce.com so that our users don't have to go log into a separate system. It's much easier for them to gain access to their courseware. They can see what they've completed and not completed, all from kind of the friendly confines of Salesforce.com, which is the application that they're accustomed to using throughout the day. So if I jump over to Salesforce, I've already logged in, and I'm going to go to my training tab, and I'm going to filter my courses by my personal training. And I'm going to go ahead and click Go. Now, if you remember, the course that I just created was called A Course to Remember. So I'm going to lengthen this a little bit so we can see here. I've sorted my courses alphabetically. And you'll notice that A Course to Remember is not showing up here. Now, the reason for that is because not everything synchronizes in real time between the Train Your Sales Team app and Salesforce.com. There is a regularly scheduled cron job or a script that runs every hour, and it goes through the Adobe Connect server, picks up any new bits of information that need to be synchronized with Salesforce, and does a single API call kind of synchronizing all that data at one time. But if you're a trainer and you need to see the courses show up more frequently, if you need to see them more instantly so you can test how your content looks inside of Salesforce.com, or if you just want the content to be instantly available, you need to come over to your Connect Your Sales Team portal. As you can see, I'm already signed in because it says signed in as Matt. I'm going to go to Account Setup, and then I'm going to go to the same place where we configured our Train Your Sales Team users. Basically, this was a link that we came to that showed us all of our active users of Salesforce. We selected the ones that we wanted to assign licenses to, and then we enrolled them. That creates the bridge between Adobe Connect and Salesforce.com. And then we just need to click this export button, which is going to go in and check all the courses and all the content sitting over on the Adobe Connect server, and it's going to do a new synchronization over to the Salesforce.com site. So now that I've successfully exported my material, I can jump back over to Salesforce, and I'm going to refresh my screen. And just like that, A Course to Remember has been populated here inside of Salesforce. If I click on View Course and scroll down just a bit, you'll notice that my material is loading here. Here comes my Captivate file. And just like that, I've got instant single sign-on access to my course material. This just happens to be a test. I can complete my test and I will be done. I'll be able to see my grades inside of Salesforce, and I, as a student, didn't need to know anything more than how to click on the My Training tab inside of Salesforce. So I hope you found this helpful, and we will see you in the next tutorial.